In this simple video tutorial, I'm going to share with you how to disable autoplay of videos on Bluesky. This is important for improving user experience, conserving data and ensuring better control over content consumption. To do this, simply head to your Bluesky application. On your profile page, tap onto these three lines. Select Settings. You will want to select on Content and Media. Onto the very last option of Autoplay videos and GIFs, make sure to disable it. When turned off, whenever you're scrolling, videos won't play unless you click on the play button. By turning off autoplay, users can choose what and when to engage with, fostering a more intentional and enjoyable browsing experience. Well, that's how easy it is to turn off video autoplay on Bluesky. If you have any questions, just let me know in the comments section down below. Please don't forget to leave a like, share and subscribe for more video tutorials like this one.